Hello and welcome to myemsconed.com, presented by Georgia Institute of EMS. Hi, my name is Tom Camplain, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial video showing you how to navigate an online/distributive class. So let's go ahead and dive into it. First, you want to navigate to the website, myemsconed.com. And once you get there, hopefully maybe you're logged in, but if you're not logged in, you can sign in. Just click the sign in button and sign in. But two ways you can get to your courses. You can get to them by going to the My Courses, or you can get to them from going to the member page. Now you'll only see the My Courses and the members page once you're logged in. So you have to be logged in to see these pages. So on the members page, you'll see on the left-hand side, you'll see all your courses listed there. Now, if you've got a lot of courses, you may have to click the button down here at the bottom to go to a second page. And then you can click back as well. On the My Courses page, you'll see all your classes there, but you'll also have a way to navigate to the second page as well. So let's go ahead and let's choose the national component, because that has a little bit of everything in it. So in the national component, you have live classes, and you also have distributive/online classes. So a distributive class or online class, as far as the registry goes, is a class that you can take 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without a live instructor. Now, you cannot do all your continuing education hours this way, but you can do a pretty good portion this way. And for the national component course, we have it mapped out just like it should be, where you have multiple classes that you can take online distributive, but you also have live classes that you have to take. But for this video, we're looking at the distributive classes. So here we have hemorrhage control, and hemorrhage control is made up of a lecture and an exam. Then we have like the role of research, which has a lecture and an exam. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we have some sections that have multiple lectures, like special healthcare needs. Has 6 parts to it. So we have the introduction in part 1 through 5, and then we have an exam that we have to take. So you have to do every bit of this to get credit for it. So let's look at the hemorrhage control. So I want to click on the lecture, and I'm going to watch my lecture. Now, if you notice, there's a mark complete button here. It will not allow me. Now, I'm clicking. I don't know if you can hear me clicking, but I'm clicking away, and it won't let me do anything because I have to be here for the time that this video is allotted. So this video is 30 minutes long, and I need to watch it. Now when 30 minutes is up, I can click mark complete, and then I will be able to go to the next video. But let's say, hey, I decided I don't want to watch this one for now. I could go to another one and watch another one. However, it's going to stop my timer. So if I go back to hemorrhage control, my timer was stopped, and I will have to watch this video for this time. So whenever you go to take the class, make sure you allot the time to take the class. So next is the exam. So I'm going to click on the exam, and this exam has 3 questions on it, and all I have to do is click on the exam link, then click Start Quiz, and just answer the questions and click Next. Click whatever it is. And I'm just clicking. Not even reading it. But when I'm done, I'm going to click Finish Quiz. It will automatically grade the quiz for me, and then it will let me move on. So let me actually take this one. So then I hit quit this, and I should hopefully have made a 100. So yes, I got 3 out of 3. Then I just click here to continue. And what will happen is, see, it gave me a checkbox that I finished that, but I still haven't finished watching the lecture. So I will have to go back and watch this lecture to get full credit for this section. If not, it won't give me full credit, and I won't get credit for finishing the course, and I'll need to do that to finish the course. All right, well, that's it for navigating a distributive/online class. If you have any questions, please give us a shout out. You can give us an email, and we'll be glad to help you out. And once again, I'm Tom Camplain, and thank you for joining us.